Part 2. It's alive! It's alive! The bride prize!
February by Anna Dittman, diamonds in the background, as well as on the lightest parts of the flowers. So these are the electric diamonds, as well as some specks in the water or in the background. So we've got some electric diamonds here, sparkling right there. That's for version 1. And then for version 2, we've got turquoise crystals that we have placed on the turquoise section of her hair, so sprinkle it in those areas. And finally for version 3, we've got dark sea crystals right over here, which is a very dark turquoise color. So sprinkle those not only in the black background, but also on the dark turquoise area of her hair that's flowing. So once again, for version 3 of Soul Breather, we've got electric diamonds, turquoise crystals, and dark sea crystals. Claudia Tremblay in 50 by 50 cm rounds special treatment. Arctic pearls, chili pearls, and violet pearls. In this section, the blue gem dangling from the jewel on her forehead with some ice crystals. Glisten, specks glistening in the background, and this is using electric diamonds, so that is for version 3.
chose to send out to the Diamond Shop ambassadors to do the mystery artist launch that happened June 5 is the regular original diamond painting. Once again, the special treatments simply enhance your diamond paintings and just make it go an extra level to really give it that wow factor.
Comment, like, take a thumbs up.